welcome back to our channel. Today we go on a special journey. We're gonna take a tour of our Italian dream home. We are headed over to the Lazio region of Italy, 1 hour from Rome in the beautiful Sabina Hills. So follow along and I'm gonna take you there right now. If you have a dream to purchase a home in Italy, check out our channel because we will tell you how we did it on a budget during the pandemic and we purchased sight unseen. If we can do it, you can do it. And that La Dolce Vita is out there waiting for you. So let's go. Andiamo.
Anche questo già per riscaldamento c'ha anche un valore, no? Quando domani però sì, non è che ci sono 25 vedi, questa è proprio una stata, no, magari ecco 25 però ti faccio qualcosa tempo di tirarmi via.
La vista, quella è Roma, Para Sabina, si vede dalla visuale. Che bello. Attenzione, ok? Eccola qua.
They taking a video?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Voglio? Allora aspetta che faccio con violenza. Aspetta, allora c'è la corrente, allora devo accenderla. Devo accendere la corrente. Aspetta che accendo la vita. Ok, sì, si può anche aprire quello, se uno vuole. Faccio tutto. Ok. Allora. Allora, qui c'è tutta la vetrata, stavamente tutto di... Questa è una prima camera da letto, poi bagno, ok,
Washer,
lavatrice funzionante. Lavatrice.
washer, no dryer.
No, it's just a washer.
Washer, but no dryer.
Toilet.
Dry,
Funziona,
just wash.
funziona la lavatrice. Per i signori, questa casa vacanza d'estate, però funzionava. Erano però 2 anni che i signori
it's
non
just a- it's
venivano.
just a washer.
Sì,
Yeah,
sì,
just
sì,
a washer.
perfetto. Poi dopo chiediamo a Barbara, così la collega. Qui c'è tutta l'altra finestra, prego. Vicolo. Perfetto.
As soon as you turn the water on, you can see the meter turning over. Clearly there's water usage going on. Nothing is on in the house. Water seeping through the wall here. Water seeping through the wall here. All through here. All through here. And all up here.
There's the lock. Come into the kitchen. We had a new pellet stove put in. Don't mind the mirror. We're gonna hang it. There's the kitchen. Cups, bowls. Here's the stove and oven. The refrigerator. Watch your head. It's just an extra bed here. This window has a good breeze. Little sitting room. Beautiful view out here at night. Overlooking the mountains. This is our bedroom. And bathroom. An antique dresser. Ciao. Wash machine. go upstairs. This is where all the little pantry and tools are back there, all Mike's tools. This is the second floor. Little bathroom. I don't know where the light is. There's the second entrance. And it goes upstairs. There's a collection of crap over here that we gotta get rid of. So let's fix all of that. Mike, what are you doing now?
Making sure I put the,
No, but what are you doing up here in the room without a roof?
making a deck so
Why?
we can see over the wall.
Why?
Because otherwise we would be staring at a wall.
Because why though? Because they didn't take the wall down. That's the wall that was coming down. Nope. Not today, Mike and Carrie. Not tomorrow either. So now Mike's gonna raise the floor up to give us our view. We left one beam. Jeepers, is this storm coming? Construction zone.
pack my bags and close the door. Airplanes waiting, can't ignore. Off to Italy, sunny shore. Rome by night, I'll explore. Viva l'Italia, under blue skies. Gelato mountains and pizza pies. History whispers in the streets. Summer romance in every heartbeat. Venice canals where gondolas glide. Beyond the city, my secrets hide. Florence art in every stride. Tuscany's hills, my dreams ride. Viva l'Italia, under blue skies. Gelato mountains and pizza pies. History whispers in the streets. Summer romance in every heartbeat. Whispered poems on ancient walls. Echoes of laughter in marble halls. Sunset kisses where shadows